Okay, so what we have done in our last class?
Cycloaddition.
Cycloaddition by which method?
Huckel-Mobius method.
Huckel-Mobius method. So we have done two methods, frontier molecular orbital method and Huckel-Mobius method. Now, which method is left?
The correlation diagram.
Yes. So let us discuss today correlational diagrams. Correlational diagrams for cycloaddition reactions. Okay, so this is very important. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾਰਮਲੀ ਇਹ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਕਈ ਵਾਰ ਰਿਪੀਟ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ correlational diagrams for cycloaddition reactions. So let us begin with a very first system, which is your 2+2 cycloaddition. Now, what we do in correlational diagrams? ਕਰਦੇ ਕੀ ਆਪਾਂ correlational diagrams ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ? What we do in correlational diagrams? Tell me. We have already done in electrocyclic reactions. What we do in correlational diagrams? बेटे टाइम नहीं है ना, जल्दी ना रिस्पॉन्स करया करो. What we do in correlational diagrams? Electrocyclic reactions ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਣਾਏ ਸੀਗੇ ਨਾ. So what we do there? What we call
reactant product ਦੇ molecular orbital ਦੀ symmetry same ਹੋਣੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ reaction allowed ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ.
ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ correlate ਕਰਨੇ ਆ? We correlate molecular orbitals of reactants with molecular orbitals of product. Correlation diagram ਬਣਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਨਾ electrocyclic ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. So same we will do over here. So suppose you have two ethylene molecules. These two ethylene butane derivative. So here we will see whether your reaction take place under thermal condition or photochemically by using correlational diagrams. Now you have two ethylene molecules. Okay, you have two ethylene molecules, and this is your cyclobutane. Now in two ethylene molecules, they will approach each other to form a sigma bond. ठीक है, दो ethylene molecules ने, ठीक है, they will approach each other to form a sigma bond. These two sigma bonds. Now, what symmetry elements are present in these two ethylene molecules? Suppose I put a mirror plane over here, okay, in these two ethylene molecule. Is it mirror symmetric?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So it has horizontal plane of symmetry, horizontal mirror plane. Now, if I put vertical plane in mid of them like this, both halves are symmetric.
Yes.
Yes. And also have vertical mirror plane. So when two molecules of ethylene, they approach each other, they have horizontal mirror of plane, they have vertical mirror of plane. Now in product cyclobutane, what symmetry element you have? Do you have a horizontal and vertical mirror plane also in product?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So if I put a horizontal here, both are equal halves, so it has a horizontal plane as well as vertical plane. So which symmetry of reactant molecules is conserved in product? Horizontal mirror plane as well as vertical mirror plane. So in this case, we will look for these two symmetry elements: horizontal mirror plane, vertical mirror plane in reactant molecule, horizontal mirror plane and vertical mirror plane in product molecule. Now you have two ethylene molecules. So that means you have a two pi star anti-bonding molecular orbitals. And here in product, what you have? How many bonds? What type of bonds are there in product? Product is bond banane sigma bond. So what you have in product, you have a two sigma bond, and corresponding that you have a two sigma star anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So we will see whether this horizontal mirror plane and vertical mirror plane in reactant molecular orbital and in product molecular orbital it conserved or not. That means it is same or not. So that's our aim to study. I think, is it clear what we want to study?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have a two pi bonding molecular orbital, two pi star anti-bonding molecular orbital. So let us draw their molecular orbitals. Okay, now important point. How these two ethylene molecules, they can approach each other. Now suppose this is your one ethylene molecule, this is your second ethylene molecule. So how they can approach each other? One possibility is this minus plus minus plus, that means pi, and this is plus minus plus minus pi. Both lobes are having same sign, okay, and both are pi. So one possibility is they approach each other like this, ek duje wal ਐਵੇਂ approach karan, plus plus on the same side, plus plus on the same side, so that result in a sigma bonding molecular orbital. Okay, what is second possibility? What is second possibility in which these two pi bond they can approach each other? Second possibility of different energy, जिस नाल ये दोनों pi bond एक दूसरे वाल approach करन. बोलो बेटे, थानू पता है, suppose I put plus minus plus minus. So what is second way by which this another pi bond can approach towards it, this
Minus,
first
minus,
ethylene molecule? Yes, opposite, minus minus plus plus. So this is also a pi bond, and here there is a formation of anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now what is third possibility? And you know, third possibility will include pi star. Okay, it will include both pi star anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So pi star, that means you have plus minus minus plus. So what should I write here over here? One possibility is plus plus will approach kare, minus minus also, so you'll get minus plus. So this is here you can say it like, so what will be last possibility by which these two pi bonds they can approach towards each other? What is last possibility?
pi star minus pi star.
Yes, pi star minus pi star, and this will be of highest energy, dono minus ne. So I can write plus minus, so there is a subtractive overlapping, minus plus, so there is a subtractive overlapping. So these are the four different ways by which two ethylene molecules they can approach towards each other, and therefore this is a molecular orbitals of your reactant molecules. And in this reactant molecules, what symmetry element we have to look? केड़ा symmetry element अपने देखना है? Mirror. केड़ा mirror?
Vertical and horizontal.
Horizontal and vertical. So this is your horizontal, this is your vertical. So yes, नहीं मैं उल्टा लिख रहा है, vertical होएगा ना, ये vertical है horizontal. Okay, so tell me whether these two are symmetric to the horizontal mirror plane. Symmetric ne kya asymmetric ne? If I put a horizontal plane over here, these two molecular orbitals pi, both pi, are symmetric or anti-symmetric?
Symmetric.
Symmetric. देखो mirror image ने दोनों एक दूसरे दिया, so it is symmetric. And what about vertical mirror plane?
Symmetric.
Symmetric, sir.
Symmetric. Okay, suppose we first put vertical and second horizontal. Okay, दोनों symmetric ने. Now what about here? Vertical.
Vertical symmetric.
Good. Horizontal.
Asymmetric.
Asymmetric. Nice. Good. This third one. अपा पहला vertical लिख रहे हैं, बाद horizontal लिख रहे हैं. Third one.
Vertical asymmetric.
Asymmetric.
Horizontal.
Horizontal symmetric.
Symmetric. And this last one.
दोनों asymmetric हैं sir.
दोनों asymmetric. Good. So बेटे any doubt? बहुत ही important exam में थानू definitely आएगा. Up to this point. So we have a 4 molecular orbitals of our reactant molecules of 2 ethylene molecule. First one is both symmetric, vertical and horizontal mirror plane. Second symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric, and both are asymmetric in last case. So yes, beta, any doubt? Okay. So now how product will be formed? Product will be formed by head over head overlapping between these lobes. So what is very first possible? And two positive lobes of pi molecular orbital of each overlap. Sorry, minus, minus, plus, 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 minus, minus. So this is your first sigma molecular orbital. What will be second sigma molecule? Just देखो एक दूसरे वाले अप्रोच कर रहे हैं ना, तो पहला बन गया प्लस प्लस ओवरलैप करके तृतीय करके दैट्स योर सिग्मा. Which one will be second? पाई माइनस पाई नल बनेगा, पाई स्टार प्लस पाई स्टार नल बनेगा, या पाई स्टार माइनस पाई स्टार दी अप्रोच नल बनेगा. सेकंड सिग्मा मॉलिक्यूलर ऑर्बिटल प्रोडक्ट ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ किस अप्रोच नल बनेगा?
पाई स्टार प्लस पाई स्टार.
हेड ओवरलैपिंग ਦੇ ਨਾਲ तो किस नल बनेगा?
पाई स्टार प्लस पाई स्टार.
पाई स्टार प्लस पाई स्टार नल, क्योंकि पाई माइनस पाई से एंटी बॉन्डिंग बन रहा है. So here this will give rise to a second one. So let us write it like so. This is like this. This is like this. So here you have plus, minus, minus, plus. That thing is what I call plus, minus, minus, plus. So this is your second. And why this has a higher energy as compared to this sigma molecular orbital? Because here second lobes they have opposite sign, minus, plus, minus, plus, because it's formed by pi star and pi star. That's why it has a higher energy as compared to this sigma. Now third sigma star anti-bonding, how it will be formed? By overlapping of which molecular orbitals? Combination, which combination? Pi star minus pi star. So which one will give rise to sigma star of lower energy? Pi minus pi or pi star minus pi star? Very easy to tell.
Pi minus pi.
Because pi minus pi, because pi star is already high energy. So this will give rise to a sigma star. So you will get plus, minus, plus, minus, 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 plus, plus. And of course, your last one will be given by pi star minus pi star. So you have plus, minus, minus, plus. So here you have minus, plus, plus, minus. So this is sigma star of higher energy. We can write this as sigma 1, sigma 2, sigma 2 star, so and sigma 1 star. Okay. Now we have to look which symmetry element, horizontal mirror plane and vertical mirror plane in product are. So and then we will correlate. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਰੈਕਟ और product ਦੇ molecular orbital ਦੀ symmetry ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ correlate ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. So yes, in sigma 1, vertical mirror plane and horizontal mirror plane, what is there?
Symmetric.
Symmetric.
Both are symmetric. Second, yes, बोलो, पता है ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ?
Symmetric, sir.
Vertical.
Vertical.
Vertically asymmetric.
Yes, horizontal symmetric. क्योंकि इत्थों बने बेटा plus pi star तो बने symmetry तो same ही रहेगी. This one
Vertical symmetric.
pi minus pi तो बने
Asymmetric.
asymmetric. ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ molecular orbital ਦੀ symmetry ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਹੈ reactants और product ਦੀ. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ? We have to just compare in thermal phase. Okay. Okay. So you have pi, then again you have a pi, then you have a pi star, and again you have a pi star. So this is your reactant molecule, 2-ethylene molecule. And here you have a product molecules. So you have a sigma 1 star, and you have a sigma, so not 1 star, sorry, sigma 2 star, and sigma 1 star. Okay, so tell me what was the symmetry of this pi molecular orbital? So this is your ground state, excited state, ground state, excited state. This is your product. Okay, now tell me what was the symmetry of this pi molecular orbital of reactant molecule, lowest energy wala? Ki symmetry sigi? Energy. Then this one, then this one, and this one. So this was
Symmetric, sir.
both was symmetric. Then this one, higher energy, NECA.
SA.
Vertical symmetric.
SA. Okay. Next, pi
AS.
star.
A.
Yes. And last one was
AA.
asymmetric. Here, this sigma 1,
Symmetric.
sigma 2,
AS.
asymmetric and symmetric. This will be, of course, then symmetric, asymmetric, and asymmetric. So when reactions take place in thermal state, that means in ground state, we have a 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here in reactant molecule, and 2 electrons here, 2 electrons here in the product molecule. So reaction is allowed or forbidden by symmetry. Just compare them. So this is अपने ground नो ground नाल compare करना है, excited नो excited दे नाल. ठीक है, this is ground, this is excited. So what is happening? This is singlet, sorry, not singlet, what I'm saying, symmetric, and correlate them. Okay. Can I correlate symmetric, asymmetric with asymmetric, symmetric? Both are same or different?
Different.
Different. So I can't correlate with them. No. Here, asymmetric, symmetric. But here it is symmetric, asymmetric, asymmetric, asymmetric. So I can't correlate them. But this may be correlated. So symmetry of all reactant molecular orbitals is not same as that of product molecular orbitals. So thermal state 2 + 2 cycloaddition reaction is forbidden. Same result was obtained in FMO method. Same result was obtained in PMO method, and same result is obtained in this correlation diagram. Yes, beta, any doubt? Now, what we do next?
Photochemical.
Photochemical. So what will happen in photochemical? Electron from this molecular, or in that case, of course, that will be a allowed reaction. So let us again draw pi 2 if you want. So here you have product sigma 1. Sigma. I am writing energy of this sigma lower than as that of pi, because sigma is more stable than pi. Sigma 1 star. So this is 2 ethylene molecules. This one. So here you have 2 electrons here, 1 electron here, 1 electron here, 2 electron here, 1 here, 1 here. So this is your ground state. This is your higher states. This is the symmetry of pi. Symmetric, symmetric. This pi, second higher energy.
SA.
Symmetric, asymmetric. This was asymmetric, and this also asymmetric. This is symmetric, symmetric. What was about sigma 2?
Asymmetric, symmetric.
Okay. Now tell me, reaction is allowed or forbidden by symmetry? Symmetry of reactant molecular orbital is same as that of product, or is it different?
Same.
Same. How? This is ground state, so symmetric, symmetric. Okay. This is first excited state. Let us correlate. So symmetric, asymmetric. This is symmetric, asymmetric. Asymmetric, symmetric. This is asymmetric. So we have a same. So this reaction is allowed by symmetry. So this is your correlational diagram for 2 + 2 cycloaddition reactions, and we got the same result. Okay, please go through this within the 2 minutes and tell me if you have any doubt over any step. Then we will continue with 4 + 2 cycloaddition. Shall we move on?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so next is 4 + 2. So here we have our example 1,3-butadiene and ethylene. So this is your product, take place under thermal or photochemical. So this Diel-Aldous reaction take place under which condition? Thermal or photochemical?
Photochemical. No, thermal.
Thermal. Okay, take place under thermal condition. So let's find out. Now, which symmetry element is present in this case? Horizontal mirror plane, vertical mirror plane, or both? Which symmetry element is present in reactant and product? Both.
Vertical.
Horizontal. Hanji?
Vertical.
Vertical mirror plane like this. You can see this vertical mirror plane divide 2 molecules into exactly equal half as that of your product. So no horizontal plane, because horizontal plane is not bisecting it in exactly two equal halves. So it has only vertical mirror plane. So we have to just look over their vertical mirror plane. एक दूजे वाल किवें अप्रोच कर रहे ने ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ नहीं देखना. क्यों नहीं देखना? क्योंकि इससे ਵਿੱਚ horizontal mirror plane नहीं है. So we will take a combination of these two molecular orbitals differently. So let us see how. Now in 1,3-butadiene, you have two pi bond. So that means you have a, say, pi 1 and pi 2 star. Here you have only one double bond, so you have a pi and pi star. What you have in product? In product you have a two new sigma bonds. Sorry, here two new sigma bonds and one pi bond. So you have sigma 1 star, sigma I star. Simple. So these are your molecular orbitals of product. And what about here? What about here in reactant? How many combination? How many total will be there? 4 or 6 in reactant? In 1,3-butadiene, you can have a two combination, pi 1 plus pi 2. इस बार अपन ने इससे नाल नहीं mix करना है नु. क्यों नहीं mix करना? Because here there is no horizontal symmetry. So we will take them independently. So first is pi 1 plus pi 2. What will be second? Tell me, pi 1 minus pi 2 or pi, which I take at number 2 position in energy. इसका pi 1 minus pi 2 या ethylene molecule तो सिर्फ pi, which I will take at second position, which is of lower energy.
Pi.
Pi. Third,
pi
pi
1 minus pi 2.
then next anti-bonding start हो जाएंगे. So what should I take? Pi 1 plus pi 2 star, which I should take over here.
Pi 1 star plus pi 2 star.
Pi 1 star plus pi 2.
Pi star.
Pi star, good. And last, so these are your
Minus.
6 molecules of reactant, sigma 1 and sigma 2 by their overlapping. ठीक है, हमने draw करांगे अपन. So orbitals. Reactant molecular plus pi 2, and this pi 1 plus pi 2 is of 1,3-butadiene. So that means pi 1 plus pi 2, this and this. So pi 1, this is pi 1 and this is pi 2. Okay, and pi 1 plus pi 2. Okay, they have additive overlapping. After that you have a simple, okay, after that you have pi 1 minus pi 2. So pi 1 minus pi 2 means you have a pi bond here, so same sign, and one pi bond over here, but they have a subtractive addition. So what should I write here?
Minus.
Minus or plus? Minus, plus, minus, plus. So this is your, so now next is pi 1 star plus pi 2 star. Minus, minus, plus. So this is pi star. So what should I write here? Here. Minus or plus?
Minus.
Minus, plus, minus. So this is star. And next is simple pi star. So that means you have this situation. And the last one is pi 1 star minus pi 2 star. So that means you have plus, minus, minus, plus. So this is pi star plus, minus. So there is subtractive overlapping here also, minus, plus. Okay. So these are your reactant molecular orbitals. And which symmetry element we have to look for?
Vertical.
Vertical. So first one, vertically symmetric or asymmetric?
Symmetric.
Second one,
Symmetric.
third one,
Symmetric.
fourth one. देखो देखना,
Symmetric.
symmetric. Next one,
Asymmetric.
last one. Symmetric or asymmetric?
Asymmetric.
Asymmetric. Okay, so you have symmetric, symmetric, asymmetric, symmetric, asymmetric, and asymmetric. Okay. So let us draw the product molecular orbitals. So in product, there's a formation of sigma bond. So how this sigma bond can be formed? So you have a this one. So sigma bond will be formed by the like this overlapping and this. So you have a plus, plus, plus formation of sigma bond. Now what should I put sign over here? That means this sigma should be of lowest energy. Yes, bolo. बोलो बेटे इधर ऑफ कोर्स नेगेटिव नेगेटिव आएगा ठीक है, ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ of course negative ਆਏਗਾ, ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ negative ਆਏਗਾ. What should I put over here so that it become of lowest energy?
So minus.
Minus. Okay, so plus. What should I put over here?
Minus.
Minus plus. So that means all is additive. So that is why it has. What is the second possibility? Next sigma bond. Okay. चलो बाकी रहने देने हैं to avoid confusion. Okay, to avoid more confusion. So second sigma bond किਵੇਂ ਬਣ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ?
Minus.
This is plus. This ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ plus ਲਿਖ ਦਈਏ, ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ minus ਲਿਖ ਦਈਏ. Of higher energy minus minus. ਤਾਂ ਇੱਧਰ plus ਆ ਗਿਆ, ਇੱਧਰ plus ਆ ਗਿਆ. So this will be of higher energy. Why? Because here you have will have higher energy. Now what is next? You have a 2 sigma bond and 1 pi bond. So next will come pi or sigma star. In product, in product, what we have 2 sigma bonds and 1 pi bond. Okay. So what will be next? Sigma bonds they are having lower energy. तो अपन 2 sigma bond लिखते हैं ना. हुन अगे केड़ा bond आएगा?
Pi.
Pi bond आएगा ना फिर. So this is your pi plus minus pi. After that, anti bonding शुरू होंगे. तो सब तो नीचे वाला anti bonding केड़ा होएगा? Sigma star के pi star?
Pi star.
Pi star. Okay. Now next you have to draw sigma star, but this sigma star will be of lower energy. So which sigma star you will draw? We have per energy. So which one you will draw?
Additive.
Minus plus minus plus 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 minus minus. Sign. They have a same sign overlap. And you have to draw the last one with higher energy. तो किवें draw करोगे? So let's take it plus minus, and here of course you have to take opposite sign. So let us take it as a plus minus. So इत्थे आ गया थोड़ा plus anti-bonding. So that's your sigma 2, sigma 1 star of highest energy. Now what about the
Symmetry.
second,
Symmetry.
third,
Symmetry.
fourth,
Symmetry.
next?
Symmetry.
Symmetric. ठीक है, ठीक नहीं बने थोड़ा जितना आएगा. And last one for product molecules. उससे बाद हम अपने की करना है simple. We have to correlate them. We have to correlate these reactant molecular orbital symmetry ਨੂੰ अपने product ਨਾਲ compare करनी in ground state and in thermal state. So that we will continue in our evening class. So bete, if you have any doubt up to this point, please ask. From here we will continue in our evening class. So at evening, can we meet at 5:30?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so in evening we will meet at 5:30. So we'll finish this topic. Okay, students. So please go through this, and if you have any doubt over these structures and how to draw them, you can ask me in evening class. We will continue it from here.
Okay, sir.